All right, here's our last video for a while. We've put the car, set it up for storage. We'll go through some of the things that we did here to get it ready to go. One of the most important things is to clean it within an inch of its life. So it's been washed, it's been clay barred, it's been waxed. We've taken off all the wheels and tires, as you can see, and put it up on jack stands. If you look back here, it's tailpipes. Put some cloth in the tailpipes, keep anything from climbing up in there. I personally took the battery out of the car because I'm storing it somewhere where I'm not going to be for a while, and I don't want any incidents. So it's on a tender, but it's not actually in the car. Something else a lot of people don't think about is your windshield wipers. When it's in storage for a long time, that pressure just wears them out. So I took them off, took the blades off, and just put some cloths underneath the windshield wiper arms to protect those. You can, or two schools of thought, either run it completely dry or fill it all the way up. I filled it all the way up, put in some Stay-Bil to stabilize the fuel because it's going to be stored for quite a while. So anyway, that's where we sit. That's where we sit. She's up. She's ready for a long winter sleep. Of course, I'll put the cover on it. The tires are stacked, put cardboard in between them, treated the tires, put cardboard in between them, then covered them with some heavy plastic. Speaking of the heavy plastic, what you'll notice on the ground here is some, this is like I think it's 60 mil painter's drop cloth, and this will work as a vapor barrier to keep any of the moisture coming up from the ground through the concrete up onto the bottom of the car. And then I put some plywood underneath the jack stands so the jack stands don't punch any holes in it, and that the car is still well supported. All right, that is it for this video. I hope that helps anybody who might be wanting to store their cars. I'm not an expert, but just letting you know some of the things that I did to try to help take care of it. Thanks for watching.